Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, y'all, I'm still focused on some appetizers because New Year's Eve is coming up, and this is going to be another little simple, easy appetizer. This is a recipe that my sister gave me, and if you've ever ate at Bonefish Grill, this little recipe is it's in other restaurants as well, but you might know or recognize this appetizer, and it is bang bang shrimp, honey. Bang bang. All right, I'm going to start off with just putting together the simple sauce, and it truly is really simple. We're going to start with half a cup of some good old Duke's mayonnaise. Aren't you happy about that, Russell? Y'all know he don't love mayonnaise.
I'm not the most excited about that.
It'll be all right. Let's get this. Hey, listen, he's the one that want to be this taste tester, right? He says he takes his job
I've
serious.
had bang bang shrimp, and I like it.
You like bang bang shrimp?
If it's got mayo in it, then I guess
you like it.
Yeah.
You think of all these
Somebody
things.
tricked me.
Somebody tricked him, y'all.
Yeah, they tricked me.
All right. So I've got a half a cup of just regular mayonnaise. This is some Thai sweet chili sauce. It's going to give that good flavor. And we're going to do 1/4 cup of this. I love this stuff on anything. In fact, I made this sauce last night. Russ smoked some chicken, and I had me some banging chicken. This is exactly what I had on it. So I really like it. Now for the last little ingredients in this sauce is just some Sriracha. Now you can heat it up, you can mild it up, you can do it however you want to do it. I'm going to put probably about, I should probably just measure.
You should definitely measure.
I got 1, 2 full teaspoons. Let's start there. I don't want to overdo it.
Y'all, she says everything's hot, so.
No, I don't. We'll get this mixed up. Oh, and I've got my shrimp soaking in some buttermilk, and I've been soaking them now for about 5 to 7 minutes or so. I'm going to put just a little bit of Crazy Jane salt on it, just a little bit. This has just got like some garlic powder and onion powder and all the little things, and we're not going to do much. Salt and pepper. Just going to give that just a little bit because this sauce is full of flavor. Also going to put some in my cornstarch here because this is what we're going to be rolling these little shrimp in and cooking them, trying to keep them crispy. So I'm just going to give this just a little, just a little bit there. All right. Now I'm going to taste this sauce. See where I'm at. Actually, I think it needs a little more heat.
I'm shocked.
Actually, it's hitting me in the throat.
She says everything's hot. She does.
Okay, I'm going to leave that be because it got me. I was like, ugh, and then just like right in the throat. So
mild is hot.
We're going to leave that be. All right, now I'm going to put me on some gloves. And I'm getting my little start getting my oil hot back there. And we're going to start dipping these little shrimp. And see how fast that was to get this sauce together? Nothing to it. I'll get that in a minute. Yeah, that sauce just went wham right in my throat. So, but it's got such a good flavor. It really does. I guess you could add whatever you want in it, but I think that's delicious, just like it is. And this is supposed to be Bonefish Grill's copycat recipe. So this is how they claim they do it, y'all. Just super simple. All right, I'm just going to start flopping these little shrimp around in this cornstarch here. And we're going to get it ready for that pan that's heating up behind me there. Just going to get it coated really good. It's really not a lot of ingredients for this. And now my sister did say She said, you can go on to the store, to the food line or wherever and buy your shrimp, but it ain't gonna taste like mine. Her husband shrimps down in the low country, and she's like, honey, if you was close by, I could hook you up with some shrimp. And I
wish
said,
you would,
I wish you would, yes. But she said,
hard to beat that low country.
it is hard
shrimp,
to beat that fresh shrimp. It really is. It is so good. So my Bam Bam shrimp might taste just a little bit different than hers, but she says everybody just goes wild for this. And instead of a shrimp cocktail or whatever, this is something different that you might want to do if you got some shrimp on hand or
looking to change it up.
That's exactly right. And I know I'm cooking this as an appetizer, and so does Bonefish Grill. But you know, this is good on like the bowls, like Asian bowls or slaw or noodles or rice or
you do it all kind of ways.
You know, all kind of stuff with this. Some steamed vegetables, all kind of goodness, honey. You don't have to limit yourself. But I am going to get this. I'm going to start dropping this in the pan. I've almost got all of these done. And we're going to get started frying these up. Alright, my oil, I'm going to give it a little test here. It's sizzling up. She's good and hot and sassy. She's ready for it. So I'm going to start dropping these little shrimp in here. And, you know, I didn't fill up my whole pan with oil. You could probably get away with even less than this. And I don't want to have them all smushed in there too close. And shrimp, as you know, if you cook shrimp, honey, it cooks really quick. So get busy here and stop dilly-dallying.
No time to waste.
No time to waste. These are going to be ready to flip in just a minute. You don't cook shrimp very long. You're going to be just spilling stuff every which way. Scoot it over, and I've got me some paper towel ready for them. We're going to fit these in here so we can fry them all at the same time. Yes, we are. That out the way. I say fry them for about I'd say 90 seconds on each side, something like that. I'm just putting cornstarch everywhere. That stuff is just flies around. Looking yummy. Yummy, yummy. All right, I'm gonna start flipping. So this is cornstarch, so it's not going to be super dark like your regular little popcorn chicken, but it's going to be crispy. You see that little crispy on it?
Mm-hmm.
That little crispy goodness.
They're looking yummy.
Really quick. And quick is what I like. My pan about to walk to the bedroom. Yummy. Try not to get the cornstarch off as I'm flipping.
So you're holding the side.
Huh?
So you're holding the side.
Look how pretty and crispy they are, though. Really. Some good stuff. Now, Bonefish Grill just serves theirs on a little bit of lettuce, So that's what I'm going to do, just put it on a little bit of lettuce. But you don't really have to have anything. If this is your appetizer, you can just lay them out on a little plate, a little pretty plate, and good to go. Almost done, just that fast, y'all.
Very quick. Yeah.
Now, I have made a mess everywhere, but
the cooking part quick.
Yeah, the cooking part is really quick. Alright. I'm going to start taking these up. amount. Don't want them to be too greasy or anything, so just put them on that paper plate, on that paper towel, not the paper plate. All right, Russell, these are almost done.
These are the recipes I like.
Yeah, you don't have to wait long, do you?
No, I like it. Quick, to the point.
Yeah.
Get to my part. I like it.
All right, I got these out. I'm going to show you how we're going to toss them in that good little sauce we just made. And that's all it is. All right, y'all. In she goes. Just going to put it right over here. I'm going to drizzle this little sauce on top. Yummy, yummy.
Bang, bang.
Bang, bang. I think it's called bang bang because it's so quick. It's just boom, boom. You got it done. All right,
I
see?
think it's bang, bang because it's banging, y'all.
It's banging too. So we're just going to flop them around. Get them all stirred up. And look how good this looks. Look at there. Yummy. All right.
Man.
Just like that. They're ready.
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it, James Russell. All right, y'all. Bang, bang, shrimp.
Bang, bang. Hey, we did that in unison.
Hey, we did.
Yeah. First time I had this was on a buffet at the beach.
Oh,
Yeah.
the Asian buffet.
No, it was a seafood buffet.
Oh,
And they
okay.
had it like and it was delicious because it was fresh
Oh,
shrimp.
Benjamin's?
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
Well, I think it was Benjamin, but it may have been another
In
one.
Myrtle
but-
Beach?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look here, y'all.
Good, yummy goodness.
That is just fantastic.
Yeah. Still a little crispy.
Crispy with this delicious sauce.
Yes. You don't taste the mayonnaise, do you?
No, not really.
No. The Sriracha and that sweet chili sauce really
It overpowers the
marries
mayonnaise.
well. Yeah, it really does.
It's really good.
And the sweet with the savory, yummy.
Excellent.
Perfect.
Very,
Perfect.
very, very good appetizer, y'all.
Yes.
Fantastic. Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So another little appetizer for you to try.
absolutely.
If you're going this route. Y'all tell us what kind of appetizers y'all
Yeah, let us know what
make.
y'all gonna have for y'all's New Year's gatherings.
Yeah, we always do, you know, the traditional meatballs and the
Little Smokies.
Little Smokies and pigs in the blanket
Yep.
and all these little things.
Sausage balls. Gotta have the sausage balls. That's a
Sausage
must.
balls. Yep, all kind of good stuff. We've done the shrimp cocktail before, so this is
Yeah, this is a little different
another
spin.
spin on some shrimp.
Yep.
Yeah, it is.
Fantastic.
Yeah, it's delicious, ain't it?
Mm-hmm. Really good.
Anyway, y'all, I hope y'all have just the best New Year.
Yep.
And we look forward to spending some more time with you
We
this
do.
year.
We sure do.
And,
Thank each and every one of you.
Yes, and y'all get in your kitchen, feed your family, and you can do this so much cheaper than going out buying stuff,
Absolutely.
buying trays
Yep.
of stuff. You can throw this, honey, you got this. You can cook
you sure
this.
can. Yep.
Just something super simple.
And they'll appreciate it a lot more.
They will.
Yep.
They will. And if not, you just make them appreciate it. I have slaved
Yeah,
in
they
this
won't know.
kitchen.
They won't know how long this took. It's so good. They really won't know
They
how
won't
long.
know, won't have a clue. So, anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning in. We just love you all.
We do. Yep.
And until next time.